What is up, everybody? Just a heads up, I don't do this. I'm not a vlogger. I don't do reviews or unboxings, anything like that. But the reason I am reviewing this set of wedges today is there's nothing online about it. I did research and I found like 5 things. All good things about Byrdie Golf, but there was nothing. So I figured I might as well be the first, and here we are. So on Byrdie Golf, I bought their 3-piece wedge set with a discount code and free shipping. I paid $100 for this set of wedges. So I figured, you know what, take a gamble and see how they are. And yeah, here we go. So I bought these wedges 2 weeks ago today. Customer service was awesome. Nick, the owner, actually emailed me personally thanking me for the order. And there was an issue with FedEx, and he was, you know, to the point. He would email me back immediately, and yeah, a pleasure to work with. So here we go. Nicely packaged, individually wrapped. Yeah, I'm excited. So I've been hitting Vokey wedges for about, I don't know, 5 years or so. And they're great, man. I mean, they're Vokeys, right? But my thing is I never bought a complete set. I never got them custom fit. So the bounces were different, and I've always wanted a complete set of something. So I went with the Byrdie Golfs to see how they compare to everything else. So far, they look absolutely beautiful. Here's my 60-degree. I'm no golf pro, guys. Probably 10 to 12 handicapper, weekend warrior. Probably get out twice a week. I don't know. I've been trying to golf for 18 years now, but we all know how that goes. So, yeah, guys, these look absolutely gorgeous. Here's my 52. So what I plan on doing with these guys, I just wanted to do a quick review just in my, in my apartment, and then the next few days I'll take them out to the range, maybe hit, 50 balls a piece with each wedge, and kind of see how it goes from there. Again, guys, I'm no pro, but I don't think if I was a pro, I'd only be spending $100 on wedges. So, and there's the 56. They appear to be really well made. I'm not sure which grips they are. They feel a little cheap, but wedges can be replaced for cheap, and they're easy to replace. Never pay for anyone to do your grips, by the way. It's super easy, really affordable, and they make your clubs feel brand new. Guys, these feel great. They truly do. So yeah, guys, I got a 56, I got a 60, and I believe a 52. Yep, 52. And again, this is a Byrdie Golf Design BGD, $100. I mean, they're snazzy as all hell, guys. This has a little chip on it. Not like I'm not gonna chip them the second I use them. That's the thing about black finish, I guess. The grooves feel great. Everything's milled out nice. I'm interested to see how the black holds up after hitting 100 balls or so. But yeah, I will follow up with you guys as soon as I hit the range, and then rip up a local muni.
All right, guys, look, so here's the deal. I just got back from my local muni, and I played really well. The first 3 holes or so, I struggled around the greens. I did take the wedges out to the range twice. The yardages are exactly what I expected between each club. No change from the Vokeys I was playing before. But at the course, I struggled around the greens for the first 3 holes, just kind of figuring things out. I was hitting from the mats before at the range. But then I ended up going par on the last 5 holes. So I played really well, and eventually I started to really get used to these wedges, man. I like them, and I highly recommend them. I had two shots lip out. from probably 15, 20 feet, 15, 20 yards out. But yeah, I want to show you guys the aftermath. I didn't clean these at all, but just to see what they look like afterwards dirty. So obviously, you know, the black, blemishes, dirt, dust, all that stuff, they're going to show up on the black. But man, these things are milled really well. Again, they're brand new. It's like freshly sharpened skates, you know. It cuts the ball really well, and I'm getting a ton of English. There were a couple shots that I thought I sailed the green, but believe it or not, I'm actually getting some backspin, which I usually don't. It's pretty much just the pros. So, guys, Byrdie Golf, check them out. I've been contemplating getting new irons next season, and I might go Byrdie. I think they're like $250, $300 right now, so definitely check them out. Any questions, leave them down in the comments. If anyone, has played with Byrdie, I'd love to get your input too. But yeah, if anything happens, I will definitely, edit and re-upload. But hopefully this helped, guys. Cheers. Hit them straight.